Joseph with Fitness Mindset. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how to improve your pull-up game. Yikes. Okay, so I'm up here on this stool, making sure I'm safe and sound. First thing you want to do is we're going to talk about hand positioning. You want to line up your hands with your shoulders. Once you get your hands on the bar, directly across from your shoulders, you're going to open up about a fist outside. This should be your grip. Okay, this should be where you're holding onto the bar. Next, put your feet together, squeeze your bottom, tighten up your abdomen, and you're just going to hang. Okay, now if you notice, my shoulders are up by my ears, right? What you want to do from here is pull your shoulders down like that. That's going to be the initial pull that we practice. Glutes engaged, abdomen nice and tight. My shoulders are up by my ears, pull them down, squeeze. This is how you get stronger on your pull-ups. This is a trick. You have to be able to retract your scapula, your shoulder blades, and pull using your back. A lot of us try and pull using our arms, and we're disengaging our lats and all our back muscles. So try to retract those shoulders. Use that trick. Let me know how it goes. Okay, squad, so some of you might be thinking, Joe, I'm not strong enough to hold on to the bar. I can't do a pull-up. That's okay. Start with the Cobra in my exercise series to strengthen your back and your core. Then, before you get to the pull-up and you try those shoulder retractions, those scapular retractions, to get to a full pull-up, you can use a TRX, okay? Most gyms have them. If you don't have a gym membership, you're trying to work out at home, no problem. Buy it online, okay? So, this is what you can do instead of doing the pull-up. If you can't hold on, maybe your grip isn't strong enough, you weigh a little bit too much, just your overall strength isn't there, no problem. You can start with a TRX and practice here. Now, if you look, my shoulders are moving back. I'm engaging all my back muscles, my lats being the major, my rhomboids in between my shoulder blades, and my elbows aren't bending. I'm not pulling here. Remember that. We're not using our arms. Your arms assist your back in a pulling motion. So squeeze your bottom, abdomen nice and tight, good posture, and you don't have to use that much resistance. You can come here. This is fine too. If this is already tough for you, then own this. Get better at this. Once you get better at this, take a step lower. Move a little bit more. And then you can turn it into a full row. Squeeze your lats, release, all the way down. Again, start with retracting the shoulder blades, squeeze the lats, down and release. Mindset team, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my page, try these tips and tricks, let me know how they go. Quit playing, handle it.